To this channel. In this video I'm going to share how you can check for your invitation if you have not seen it. There are some people, they are learners, they have received invitation from Maxwell in their emails, but they cannot find their invitation from Commonwealth of Learning. There are two things that you can do, or maybe three. But the first one is search. In your email here, there's a search bar. I am using a computer, a browser, but if you are using the Gmail app on your phone, you will still find a search bar here. So you just type Commonwealth of Learning, Commonwealth of Learning. Then you search. Okay, so if you receive the invitation, Commonwealth of Learning here, this one, and there's another one here, just click on any of it that is inviting you. So you see that welcome to your learning program. Hi Maxwell, congratulations, you received. So this is the invitation. All you have to do is just go to course and start. Or maybe you receive another one like this. I've shared it already. You see something like this, has invited you. So this is the invitation message. So if you don't find it direct in your email, just do the search one. That is one. If let's say you search for Commonwealth of Learning and you still don't find the invitation, there's still another thing to do, especially with those who were on the sponsorship already that ended. Some of you have not received the invitation, but you are on sponsorship. So you need to check first. Check whether you are on sponsorship. So we will do for Coursera first and then do for Udemy, because the license is given for Udemy and then Coursera too. Let's do the Coursera one first. You open your browser, type coursera.org, enter. Here is the page. Now you have to click on login or join for free, any of them. It just allow you to log in. So click on login. Now this is the page, login. You want to enter the email that is on sponsorship, that is the one that you used to apply, the one that received a message from Maxwell or any other coordinator. They're telling you that you've been given invitation. So like this. So this is it, and your password. So if you have not created an account on Coursera already, you have to sign up here, sign up. But I've done that already, so I'm just going on login. So I'll just enter my password. Okay, then I click on login. Now if you log in, or when you sign up and you log in, you should see this Commonwealth of Learning somewhere in your page. Or if you don't, just scroll down here and you see these courses. Now one way to check whether you are on sponsorship is first you seeing the Commonwealth of Learning on the page, and second, when you try to enroll in a course like Google IT automation with Python, you should see sponsored by Commonwealth of Learning, GWG, or maybe Skills for Work, because some of you have access to 6,000 courses. Me, I only have access to Google career courses. So, and then you click on enroll. Enroll starts January 5. This shows that you are on sponsorship, even though you didn't receive invitation, but you received a message from Maxwell. For those who are not on sponsorship, you may not see sponsored by Commonwealth of Learning, or even if you see it, you will not see enroll start January. Maybe you see enroll apply for financial aid. That means you are not on sponsorship. They will ask you for money. You know that you are not on sponsorship. If that happens, just contact your coordinator, the one who sent you email, and then he will further investigate and give you feedback. So that is it for Coursera. those on Coursera. Now let's work on let's see how you can check your invitation, check whether you are on sponsorship on Udemy. So for Udemy, you still open a browser, you open a tab in your browser, and then you type coolonline.udemy.com. Then hit an enter. Okay, now Udemy is straightforward. What you do is that type the email address you used to apply, or the sponsored one. So I will type mine. So this is the email. Click on continue. This message says you haven't been invited to this Udemy business. If you type your email, the one you used to register or apply for the scholarship, and they tell you you haven't been invited to this Udemy business account, it means you are not on sponsorship. It won't even allow you access. Or there are some of you who were already on, were once on sponsorship on this platform. If you enter, the message is different. You are no longer you no longer have access to this Udemy business account. So straightforward. It doesn't want you to go in there and go and check your course whether you are sponsored. No, straightforward. You don't have it. So that's how to check whether you are on sponsorship or not. But first, always check whether you received an invitation, a message from Maxwell or any other coordinator in Ghana. So that's it. You can check and drop your comment in the comment section. You have questions, just put it there, and you can subscribe too, so that when we post videos of this to help you in the next 6 months, you will get notifications. See you in the next video.